Anoop, I have to tell you, I love Indian food. I eat Indian food nearly every day. I like dal, rice, roti, bindi, karela, you know?
I want to just improve my English because in front of people I can't speak up. When I'm alone, I have the confidence to speak, but in the front of people, I feel conscious and I can't speak in front of them.
So Anoop, well, what city do you live in India? Your English is actually quite good. Your English is good. So don't worry. You just have to keep practicing and
Sir,
be confident. Yeah.
I means that my English is not that much of good, but I'm trying. I'm keep practicing.
Yes. Yes, and people can see that and they'll say, "Oh, Anoop, he never gives up on English and he's a strong man because he always tries. He never gives up." Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah. Hello.
My name's Wayne. I'm from Australia.
Oh, my name is Anoop and I'm from India.
Anoop, pleased to meet you, Anoop.
Yeah. I also
And
pleased to meet.
thank you. And what would you like to talk about today?
Sir, I want to just improve my English because in front of people I can't speak up.
Okay,
Uh,
no problem.
when I'm alone, I have the confidence to speak, but in the front of people, I feel conscious and I can't speak in front of them.
Okay.
In the in
Anoop, no
English,
problem. No problem. I understand. So, with me, just relax. I'm not judging you. We are just friends. We are just talking. Okay? No problem.
yeah.
Okay. So, Anoop, well, what city do you live in India?
Sir, my city name is Fatehpur and the state is Uttar Pradesh in India.
Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Okay. And can I ask you some questions about your life in India?
Yeah, yeah, you can.
Okay. Do you eat more rice or roti?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We use this in our daily life.
Okay. And do you eat both rice and roti or just rice?
Both daily.
Both day. Okay. Okay. So, okay. So you can say we eat both daily. And can you see that?
So what? We eat both daily.
Yes, yes. And do you like rice more or do you like roti more?
Sir, roti more.
You like
I
roti
like
more.
roti.
Okay. I like, yep.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you make roti or does the woman in the house make roti for you?
So my mother makes me for this.
Oh, oh, okay. So my mother makes this for me. She must be a good cook, yeah?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, so my mother makes this for me. Very good. Okay. Anoop, I I have to tell you, I love Indian food. I eat Indian food nearly every day. I like dal, rice, roti, bindi, karela, you know.
yeah.
But
Sir, yeah, are
uh,
you visit in India?
I have never been to India. No, I would love to come to your country, but I love Indian food. I love lentil dal. I love dal.
Yeah.
And so, do you eat dal normally?
What?
Do you eat dal normally? Dal?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We eat in 1 or 2 days.
Oh,
We eat dal.
every yes.
We eat dal in after 1 or 2 days.
Okay, so every maybe every 1 or 2 days you eat dal.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. My mother's makes this for me.
Okay, she must be a good cook.
Yeah, yeah. Sir,
Okay,
how is my English? How will you rate
um,
this?
Your English is actually quite good. Your English is good. So don't worry. You just have to keep practicing and
Sir,
be confident. Yes.
yeah, yeah, but this confidence is not in front of the peoples. I feel conscious and I feel uh, I I feel afraid.
Okay. I tell you something, Anoop.
Yeah,
Sometimes, do you feel afraid and conscious when you speak English in front of a native English speaker?
yeah,
Or how about in front of your teachers at school? Do you feel conscious?
yeah, yeah. I feel conscious because I feel that if I make mistakes, they will make fun of me,
Oh, don't. Okay,
and
Anoop.
this is a very bad thing for me, and that's why I feel conscious because this is the fear of that they will make fun of me, and that's all.
Okay, but okay, Anoop. I'll tell you. If
Hmm.
someone makes fun of you, okay,
Hmm. Yeah, yeah.
they have a problem, not you. Do you understand?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Absolutely.
Because you you are trying to do your best. You know?
Yeah, yeah. I give my best to speak English.
Yeah, that's right. And don't let your self-esteem go down. Other people are making fun of you.
Yeah,
You know what? The important thing is you try, and as long as you try, that's the main thing. You understand?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
sir.
I understand. I understand it's hard because you're at school and you're around other students and friends and teachers. But
Yes,
you know, don't let what other people say get you down. Do you understand?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because never give up on trying when English or anything in life if that's what you want to do. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir,
okay.
sir,
So
sir. I am in 11th class.
so you're in year 11.
Yes, sir. I just complete my 11th and just come in uh, 12th.
Okay.
12th.
Do you
12th.
like? Yep, yep. Okay. So do you like school?
Yeah, sir. Quite good. It's quite good.
Okay, that's good. That's good. If you like school, that's a good thing. What is your favorite subject at school?
Sir, business.
Oh, you're going to be a businessman.
Yeah, but it's a very hard for me.
Okay. Well, I think you can tell yourself if I want to be a businessman,
Hmm.
then I'm going to be good at English. You understand?
That's I also want to study higher in abroad. That's why I also learn English because I want to study out of the India. That's why I want to improve my
That's
English.
excellent. Excellent. That's very good. So in your be confident in your English and in front of others. Okay?
Okay, sir.
In your English and in front of others.
Be confident in your English and in front of them. Okay, sir.
Like you can say to people, look, my English is not perfect, but I still like to speak English to you. You know,
Yeah, yeah,
be
yeah.
strong. You know,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
you know.
I means that my English is not that much of good, but I'm trying. I'm keep practicing.
Yes, yes, and people can see that, and they'll say, "Oh, Anoop, he never gives up on English, and he's a strong man because he always tries, he never gives up."
Yeah, yes,
You
sir.
know,
Because
Western
the practice.
people like that. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Western people like those who never give up. You understand?
Western people like those who never give ups. Yes, sir. Yeah, 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 yeah. I
Do
understand.
you understand?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
that they will like you for this.
So,
Okay,
sir,
so they
my
will like you for this.
sir, I'm. You feel that I improving. I
Yes,
I
yes,
I practice
yes.
I practice English from many months, and that is the result.
That's
That output come from there.
that's right, exactly. That's right, exactly. So Anu, I'm sorry, our time is nearly finished. So Anu, you believe in yourself. I believe in you. Okay, don't give
Okay,
up. Your
okay, sir.
English is getting better every day. Don't give up. Okay, you'll
Okay,
get
sir.
there. You'll be the best English teacher. You'll be the businessman. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So so be proud of yourself. I'm proud of you. Goodbye, my friend. Good luck. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye. Bye.